Good morning. Today is day 11 for my Advent calendar. I am dressed very simply and ready to wear. The only thing me made about this outfit is I did stitch up the neckline to make it more modest. So straight from the shower, from my home to yours, let's get into my Advent calendar. I'm gonna go into the one that Trish from Peaky's Farm made for me first. Let me find day 11. There it is. Okay, let's see if I can guess what this is. There's something a little harder in the center and softer around the middle. Maybe something's rolled up. I don't have a clue. Okay, here it goes. This must be delicate. Hope I didn't break it squeezing it. Look at this. Trish, did you make these? I'm gonna go in my little nativity scene. Right. Thank you, Trish. That was so thoughtful. And now for Beyond the Pink Door. Today is an odd day, so there should be something to open. Here it is on top. I'm gonna give it a guess. I'm going with a bar of soap on this one. Let's see what it is. It's not a bar of soap. This is some Irish chocolates from Beyond the Pink Door, milk chocolate, cookies and cream, honeycomb hacks. So in Irish, this is pronounced wiach. Now, normally I turn over all chocolate to Charlie. I'm not a big chocolate eater. He's a huge chocolate lover. He's not as into milk chocolate, but when it comes to the artisanal chocolate, I don't think he discriminates as much. So somebody in this house will really enjoy this. Thank you very much. I'm filming early this morning because I have a really busy day. With the Gift to November challenge, I got a lot of my little sewing projects, the one big project with the drapes, out of the way, but I have sewn none of the matching pants for the grandchildren and Charlie, so I need to get onto that today. They're gonna be here in a little more than a week. I need to get this done. I really wanna get these pants finished in the next couple of days so that maybe I have time to sew something for myself. What are you working on? Come January, I'm gonna be doing a lot of self-care and a lot of self-sewing. See you soon and happy Christmas.